Chapter 7, number 33. The force shown in the figure moves an object from x equals 0 to x equals 0.75. A, how much work is done by that force, and B, how much work is done by the force if the object moves from 0.15 to 0.60 meters. So this is clearly one of those work done by a variable force. It will involve using the fact that if I have a force versus position graph, the work is the area trapped. Here life's easy because all of our forces are above the axis and all of our motions are from left to right, so the area trapped will be positive, which is nice. And what we really want to say is for part A, we want to say the area between 0 and 0.75, that's going to come in sort of three parts. It's going to be that area, plus that area, plus that area. So our total work is going to be, do colors a little bit better. Our total work is the area, which means it's going to be the area of 1 plus the area of 2 plus the area of 3. The area of 1 is a height of 0.6 newtons and a width of 0.25 meters. And the area of 2 is a height of 0.4 newtons and a base of 0.25 meters, because it's 0.50 minus 0.25. And then finally, the area of 3 is going to be a height of 0.8 newtons times a width, not shockingly, 0.25 meters, because now it's 0.75 meters minus 0.50 meters. And then we can just grind out those numbers. We have 0.15 joules for the blue area, and we have 0.10 joules for the green area, and we have 0.20 joules for the purple area. So overall we have 0.45 joules is our total work done. That's part A. Part B is similar, we just have different ranges that we're going over. So now we're going to be talking about going from 0.15, which is sort of what, this is 1, 2, so maybe from there, that's 0.15, at least close enough, and going over to 0.60, which is probably something like there. And so we only include the parts of the rectangles that are there. So we include, this is going to be our work 1, this is still going to be work 2, so that will be something we already know, and then work 3 is only going to go over this far. But we're still going to go with the basic idea that the total work is the work in region 1 plus the work done in region 2 plus the work done in region 3. And we're going to construct them the same way. So we'll have, in region 1, we have a height of 0.6 newtons, but now we only have a distance of 0.25 meters minus 0.15 meters. And then region 2, we have a height of 0.4 newtons, but a width, in this case the same width as before. And then in region 3, we have 0.8 newtons, and then a height or a width of 0.60 meters minus 0.50 meters. So we can get those numbers. The blue region is 0.06 joules. The green region remains 0.10 joules, because the same calculation as last time. And the purple region is 0.08 joules. And so our grand total is 0.24 joules. We should really be a little careful here, and I think that, to be honest, maybe the textbook is a little bit sloppy, because really we only have 1 digit of accuracy. So really this guy should be 0.2 joules. We lose a lot there. The textbook does not actually respect that in its answer. And I guess I kind of agree with not respecting it. This axis probably should have been made more explicitly that it's 0.080 and so on.